Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, April 24th. A couple economic news releases today. We'll start off with the week jobless claims. This comes on a weekly basis. So last week we had 305,000 people apply for unemployment. The forecast is supposed to have a slight uptick to 315 because we've been kind of averaging typically between 310, 320 range, and last week kind of surprised with the 305. But this week we had 329, so it jumped up a bit. But which some people are kind of attributing it towards the Easter, there. But we'll have to kind of wait and see. So we had 329,000, not great, obviously, but we now have the durable goods orders for the month of March, which we had 2.1% increase in the goods orders back in February. So the forecast for March is supposed to drop to 1.8 and actually went upwards. So this is actually excellent news here, which is getting the markets very happy here. Let's go ahead and take a look here at headline news. So far this morning we had some volatility here. We had the economic data that came out, the earnings reports that came out, some really good earnings reports. Apple came out, Blockbuster's up a bit, which is helping the stock market. The weekly jobs claims, it's disappointing, but it wasn't going to really factor that much into it. And then durable goods looked really good, but Ukraine tensions came up again. The Russia sent some forces for practice, from practicing by the borders of Ukraine, as a few of the pro-Russians were killed over in Ukraine. So tensions were kind of building up. This created a little concern as the markets were a little bit mixed, and the Dow was down, but Nasdaq and S&P were up a little bit. But since then, late in the morning, it had a little bit of a rally here and picked up a little bit on the stock market. So we'll go ahead and take a look, see how this is affecting the bond market, see what interest rates are doing. We're still in the range where we left off yesterday. Right now, we're touching above the 10-day moving average. We're up about 15 for the day, even though we start off lower from when we left off yesterday. So that gives us about 9 basis points increase from where we left off yesterday. Not enough for a price improvement, but basically about where we left off, or where we completed the day yesterday pricing wise. Now if we continue improvement, that is possible. We could obviously get more improvement. All we need would be basically 3 more basis points, or this could shrink back a little bit here. But this is just, again, we had the opening gap yesterday. At some point that will close, and we had that one about 2 weeks ago that still is yet to be closed. Most of these last 2 days, the rallies were due to tensions in the Ukraine area, is what kind of brought these up sudden. But once that kind of gets put back to the back burner, we could see some rates kind of creeping up a little bit before they'll get better. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.